job everybody, the honorable judges and commissions. For us all, let's thanks to God we has given us missions and blessing. I am Vanessa Anggeliana Putri, the member of my team.
And I'm Tegar Ardiansyah.
I will like the person our people and dentals. Development of CAD/CAM system in digitals, Danish era to reduce the risks of COVID-19 virus transmission during the pandemic period. Coronavirus disease 19 and have infected 308 people on March 2, 2020. The attachment and entry of the virus to the host cells mediated by proteins on the surface of the virus. As protein is the main determinant in infecting its host species as well as its tropical determinant. Other studies have shown protein cis facilitates the entry of coronavirus into target cells. This process relies on binding on protein cis to cellular receptor and priming protein cis to cellular proteases. Research to that suggests that the process of entering COVID-19 into cells is similar to SARS. Therefore, dentists are one of the professions most at risk of COVID-19 transmission. Various innovations were developed to reduce the risk of transmission of COVID-19 from patient to dentist, including by developing CAD/CAM, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. Dental service have received a high volume of attention. Several reports, papers, guidelines, and suggestions have been released on how this infection could be transmitted through dental services and what should be done. Dental teams led by the Dentistry are very familiar with universal personnel, protective equipment, and other cross-infection control measures and risk assessment. Many suggestions and protocols have been issued for reopening or reopening of dental clinics in a short period of time. Okay, Tegar, this time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Vanessa, for this opportunity. Now, I will continue to explain our paper.
Okay, now I will explain CAD and CAL. Step 1. Take a traditional impression. For best accuracy, take impression at the design restoration level or implant or abutment. Step 2. Model casting and scanning. Optional, interjaw relation scanning. Preparing for scanning, first screw retains, place TCTN or TSAN on analog. This one is scan body. Step 3. Restoration CAD design. STL alignment. First, placing a scan body image from the library over the scanned scan body by choosing 3 defined points on image. Second, choosing the same 3 points on the scan body. The system will place the image from the library on the scan body. The system recognizes the location, height, and orientation of the implant. And then we can see TBS and abutment design. After all of this, transfer the CAD file to the milling lab. Step 4. CAM manufacturing. Placing the raw material in the milling machines. And then milling the restoration. Step 5. Cementation and final restoration. The first one, implant, T-base, middle restoration, restoration screw, and crown. The conclusion is CAD and CAM is not only can make the risk of the COVID-19 transmission because the chair walk and direct contact of the dentist is longer than usual, and it can become the innovation of the digital dentistry.
I think that's all. Thanks for your attention and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.